we observe that many R&D organizations and academic institutes in the country are engaged in research work. Then why there is no substantial patent filing? The second fact that we observe is some or the other day on a news channel, you see a news about a small kid or a college going student or a farmer from very corner of the country, maybe not having any formal education, but comes up with a very interesting product or a solution, some problem which is solved. Am I right? Both the scenario you have observed. Now, one more scenario I would put forward. Students and teachers in the universities and colleges develop something new and they are struggling for understanding the patent filing procedure. The last scenario I wish to put forward, which is of MSMEs. Here what happened? Generally the founder is working on a particular project for years together. Hence his or her knowledge about the particular process is sharpened. Eventually, when they explore new ideas, definitely they come up with something which is patentable. But they are not able to identify this potential patent, as well as they face an issue of finding IP experts.